Pranam Divyavadwa. Let's get your top story. Our focus is on the Pune hit-and-run case, and Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has promised to take a strong action against the teenager. Do remember, he is 17 years and 8 months, just 4 months away from being 18. And now the Juvenile Justice Board has said that it is going to review its verdict. The police has applied to try the teenager as an adult. The 17-year-old's father has been arrested and action has been taken against the owners of 2 different bars that served the minor alcohol. 3 accused, an owner and 2 managers of different restaurants are in the custody of the police till the 24th of this month. And the court has directed the pub and the bar operators to decide a limit as to how much liquor can be served as their customers use their own vehicles to drive back home. The prosecution has also told the court that the establishments owned or managed by the accused served liquor to the boy and his friends without really confirming their age. Now, this as the families of the 2 victims, both engineers, are distraught.
The father of the 17-year-old who allegedly killed a young couple on a bike when he was speeding on his Porsche in Pune has been arrested. The 17-year-old was released on bail 15 hours after he was detained. The boy's father has been arrested by the Pune police from Maharashtra's Aurangabad. 2 owners of the bar which served the boy alcohol have also been arrested and will be in custody for 7 days. The Deputy Chief Minister has assured a crackdown on drunk driving and on bars serving alcohol to minors. The Pune police have asked for the 17-year-old to be tried as an adult.
बोर्ड ने उसमें बहुत ही लीनियंट व्यू लिया, इससे आउटरेज और बढ़ा। ये लड़का 17 साल 8 महीने का है। ये जो क्राइम है ये हीनियस क्राइम है। ये एक बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक इस प्रकार का आदेश पारित किया।
We had moved an application to the Juvenile Justice Board saying that this is a heinous crime. Here we have applied section of 304 IPC. We have CCTV footages from the establishments that he was consuming alcohol.
The police have found that the minor had gone to 2 restaurants to celebrate his Class 12 results on Saturday night, and they were served alcohol including vodka, whiskey and beer. The vehicle he was driving was also not registered. The families of the victims, Anish Avadhya and Ashwini Koshta, both IT engineers, are in shock.
मेरी अभी भी कुछ हालत ठीक नहीं है। मैं खुद एक बीमारी से झेल रही हूँ। मुझे ब्रेन ट्यूमर है, घर में कुछ हो जाता मैंने कहा क्या करूँगी।
2 days after the accident, a political controversy has started, with Uddhav faction leader Sanjay Raut asking for the Pune Police Commissioner to be suspended.
पुलिस कमिश्नर को सस्पेंड करिए। उसने आरोपी को बचाने की कोशिश की है। एक कपल, युवा कपल 25 साल का, जिस बेरहमी से कुचल दिया, और जो लड़का है शराबी, उसको 2 घंटे में बेल मिलता है।
The incident which happened in Pune's Kalyani Nagar raises lot of questions on law and order situations in Pune. On one hand, there are pubs who operates all night. On the other hand, there are people who serve alcohol to minor people in Pune. Still, the question raises that who is responsible for this type of incidents happening? With cameraman Praveen Rahit, Paras Dama for NDTV 24/7, Pune.
And reacting to that incident is Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Prime Minister has enabled the rich to get away with the incident like the one that's taken place in the Pune hit-and-run case.
बस ड्राइवर, ट्रक ड्राइवर, ओला, उबर, ऑटो ड्राइवर्स अगर गलती से किसी को मार देते हैं तो 10 साल की जेल में सजा हो जाती है और चाबी उठा के वो फेंक देते हैं। मगर अगर अमीर घर का 16 साल का 17 साल का बेटा पोर्श गाड़ी को शराब पी के चलाता है और 2 लोगों की हत्या करता है तो उसे कहा जाता है कि ऐसे लिख दो। नरेंद्र मोदी से पूछा गया कि 2 हिंदुस्तान बन रहे हैं, एक अरबपतियों का, एक गरीबों का। उनका जवाब आता है, क्या मैं सबको गरीब बना दूं? सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल न्याय का है। अमीरों को गरीबों को, दोनों को न्याय मिलना चाहिए।
And the lawyer of the accused has spoken to NDTV's Vishnu Som. However, he ducks the question when it came to if his client had consumed alcohol or not. Let's listen in to Prashant Patil.
Mr. Patil, there's a video of your client in a bar, the 17-year-old. The police say that they're confident that the alcohol detection test will come out positive. Was your client under the influence of alcohol above the legally permissible limit when this took place, the accident?
Sir, you would appreciate at this stage, because the investigation is in progress, the way investigating agencies can actually officially make a statement because they're in custody of that evidence. We as defense side, we have no idea about what evidence has been actually been collected. Only when the charge sheet gets filed under 173 CRPC, we actually get to read what has been collected, what has been relied upon, and once we go through the evidence, only then I'll be in a position to comment.
You know, your client, if considered an adult, could face life in jail. That's what the police will be pushing for in court if treated as an adult. Does your client have, an idea of potentially what he could face, life in jail?
See, we all know there are certain amendments in 2019. There are certain amendments in the Act in 2021, August 2021. If any juvenile or child in conflict with law has to be tried as an adult, there is a procedure established which has been laid down by the Honorable High Courts, and the Supreme Court has confirmed it.
We have my colleague Paras joining us. Paras, the Juvenile Justice Board to review its decision with the police filing an application to try him as an adult. We just heard Vishnu question the lawyer of the accused. If the juvenile now ends up being tried as an adult, he could end up facing a life imprisonment.
Rightly said, this is a very important day today in this entire case, because we had seen from the day when Pune police is trying to prove that this person, the 17-year-old minor, have to be treated like an adult. They had filed an appeal in Juvenile Justice Board on Sunday, but it was rejected by Juvenile Justice Board. The two applications were filed, two appeal were filed. One was to remand him for 14 days. That was rejected by Juvenile Justice Board, and second was treat him as an adult, was rejected by Juvenile Justice Board. On Monday, the Pune police went to district court over there. They had applied again to treat this 17-year-old minor as an adult, but district court said that the review application you have to file in Juvenile Justice Board only. They will review the whole application, and they are the only one who can help you out at this matter of time. But what happened is that if Juvenile Justice Board again do not reply in the decent manner, then the police can go to higher court again. So today will be very important day in this entire matter. On the one hand, at 11 a.m. in the morning, Juvenile Justice Board will be hearing this entire matter, the review application which has been filed by the Pune police, and after that they will be giving the judgment on the entire matter. Should this 17-year-old minor should be treated as an adult. On the other hand, the father of 17-year-old minor will be produced in district court today. Yesterday, the 3 bar owners and a manager were produced, and they were given 7 days of police custody. So entire day will be very important. How this case will go, it will be very important to see today.
Right, and opposition leaders also claiming that the 17-year-old was served pizza and a burger while he was detained for those 14-15 hours right after the accident.
Right. So yesterday when DCM was speaking to media, he said that if anything will happen like this, if anything would have been happened like this, the police officer who served pizza and burger to the accused will be fired. So DCM and police commissioner of Pune are very much strict on this matter, and they are taking all precautionary measures. DCM said that particularly if anything would have been happened with minor, or he has been served pizza or burger, the point will be taken, CCTV will be seen, and after that decision will be taken, and the adhikari who has done this type of thing will be fired. So particularly we can see that DCM and entire police officers team are very much critical and very much strict about this matter, and they are continuously finding new clues and a new thing which can help them out in this case.
Right, and the bar owners now have been asked to decide a limit on serving liquor, given the fact that many of their customers end up driving themselves back home after drinking. Thank you so much, Paras, for getting us all those details.